We see a quick look around the box. We see on the front, we see the 3 different lenses that it comes with, and on the back we see that the wide angle is 140 degrees, the fisheye is 180 degrees, as well as the macro, which is equivalent to a 13 millimeter. We see on the sides there is just the logo and the 3-in-1, as well as on the top and the bottom. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. This is actually how it came from Amazon yesterday. There is no tape on the bottom or the top. Opening up, we have a quick start guide and the lens kit itself. Plastic, it looks like they just put it all together in here. But we see we have a microfiber case, and we also have, this would be a wide angle lens, the fisheye lens, and I think, yep, the macro lens, which is a part of the fisheye lens. So already I can see that these lenses are a lot better quality than other ones I've seen on Amazon. They feel, these actually have weight to them, which is surprising considering that they're usually made out of really cheap stuff. And for the clip that goes on the phone, it'll actually screw into the clip, and you clip this on the phone. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and clip it on and show you what it looks like. Okay, so for the first lens, this is the fisheye. You get a really big bowl effect, but it looks really nice. And we can zoom in. And it's a little bit flatter. Looks pretty good. Now we're going to switch to the wide angle. Alright, this is the wide angle lens. This is personally my favorite lens. You can zoom in pretty well. Looks really nice. I'm going to take the camera off, so this will just be the iPhone. As you can see, it's already a lot less field of view. I'm going to go ahead and put it back on, and there you can see, looks really good. And now we're going to switch to the front-facing camera with the wide angle. Alright, this is the standard iPhone camera, and when you try to zoom on something up close, it doesn't focus. And now we're going to go ahead and put on the macro. Alright, and as you can see, this will actually focus. And it looks really nice. When you bring something about an inch away, you'll notice that it gets super sharp. Again, this is about an inch away. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more.